Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I would like to give you an in-depth comparison before all this light design created by VIJIM. Now I have a whole collection of the VIJIM LED light, judged from the VR49, VR81, VR166, VR120, VR100, and 196, the colorful RGB light. So these are totally different light, but they are all working great in my YouTube studio. Start with the Ulanzi VR49. It has 2000 mAh, and at that moment it was designed by Ulanzi, but now Ulanzi has put their lightning design team now have rebranded as VIJIM. With the VR49, it has helped me capture a lot of interesting vlog with this light. It has a very simple and compact design, and it is really cheap. The good thing about this light is that you can turn it off, and you only have limited levels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're good to go. And charging for Type-C, 3 cold through mount. It has a 14:9 LED, 7 multiply 7, and this is the VR81 is an upgrade version from the VR49. Now we have 9 multiply 9, and we have bicolor. We can change the temperature from the 3200 to 5500 K, and now we have internal 3000 milliamp, and now we can control the light, control the temperature, and it is really great. It is an upgraded version of the VR49, and it is a little bit more expensive, but now you get more feature, a bigger battery, bicolor temperature, and more features. Back to the VR166. This is LED panel that with a tilt mechanics like this. There are altogether 16.6 LED built inside its tiny little body. Compared with the VR49, the VR166 is even smaller compared with the 14:9 LED design, and you can long press to turn it on and control the temperature and the lightness at the same time. This is also a very good light, and you can rotate, have a rotation mechanism that could adapt to your shooting situation. VIJIM 100C is super small and super compact. It has 100 colorful LED built inside its simple design panel. Also have 2 different adapters. One is a dual cold through mount adapter, another one is an adapter that can help you adjust the tilting angle. When you compare with the VR49, this is almost the same, but VR100 is even thinner and smaller. So this is really a very good compact companion when you're shooting outside, outdoors, and still want to have a bicolor control. As you can find here, you can control the light and brightness at the same time. Good thing about this light is it's super small, super compact, and it is super light. And at the same time, it also have 2000 mAh lithium battery inside this tiny little body. And the color temperature could change from 2500 K all the way up to 6500 K. So this is a brilliant design. This is a VIJIM VR120. It altogether has 120 LED in the panel, and has a diffuser. And also in the package, we have a free softbox that could make this light. It could double as a protection case, but also as a diffuser to make this light, the light is softer and better. It also can control the temperature, control the lightness, and this is the light I use most in my YouTube studio. And so for every one of my shot, I use VR120 to shot on the face, feel more natural on the portrait. This is a brand new RGB light from VIJIM. This is one of the best RGB light I have ever purchased on the website. And you can have 3 different modes. The long press, open that. Now you have a scenes mode. Altogether we have 20 different presets. You also have a constant color temperature. You can control from 2000 K all the way up to 9000 K. It's even wider compared with this VIJIM 120 and this VIJIM 100C. And you can also adjust the brightness with the precision of 1%. And you can also control in the RGB mode. You control with the color wheel, control the hue and brightness. You cannot control the saturation, but that is okay. This was designed to be a colorful RGB light. So this is one of the best LED light with RGB feature built by VIJIM. More importantly, this RGB light also comes with a free honeycomb and the softbox. which could not only could protect your light, but also could extend the flexibility when you use outdoors or inside the studio. This is a very good softbox. It feels nice in your hand, and this is a black honeycomb with also solid design. That will altogether give you a very flexible use for this RGB light. And don't forget, we also have a tilt angle, tilt adapter. So that is all the basic comparison before all the VIJIM LED light. So all of them are very great, and judging from the low end all the way up to the high end RGB VR196. Now we have altogether 6 models on the Ulanzi website, from the low end VR49 all the way up to the VR196. So for every one of the users who want to have LED light, now we have plenty of choices. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful. If you like it, please thumb up, subscribe, and hit notification bell. I will see you in my next one. Bye.